Hello my dear children of class 1. So children, how are you all? I hope you all are in good health. So children, today in English language, we begin with a new topic. Okay? And you know what is the name of this topic? Replace words. Okay? What do you mean by replace? Replace means, so the word replace means in place of, right? For example, I have a pen, right? I use this pen for writing, isn't it? So I replace this with something else, with pencil. Pencil also works for that, for writing? Yes. So I have replaced my pen with a pencil. Fine. So this is how we will learn replacing a noun. Right? Instead of using the same continuous word, we will replace that naming word with something else. And that is called replace words. And which are these replace words? Okay. With the help of some examples, we will see, and then we will read from your English grammar book and understand better. So, which are these replace words? And we will use it in place of which naming word? Right? We will learn this today in the class. Replacing naming words. It is a word that replaces the naming words. That is what? Noun. Naming words are noun. Name of person, place, animals, things, right? Okay. Such words are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. So today we will learn about I, you, he, she, and it. Fine. Now let us look at the examples. Now children, look at this example. Neeta is my friend, okay? Neeta is beautiful. So you see here the naming word Neeta here. Neeta, right? So I have used the word 2 times. So I can avoid this. For the second sentence, how I can write, So second sentence, instead of Neeta, I'll cut this. That is because that is the repetition of the name. I can also write she is beautiful. Fine. So the sentence will be Neeta is my friend. She is beautiful. Let us take another example. Now look at this second sentence. Sam is intelligent. Sam plays football. Again you see the naming word Sam is written twice. So what we can do? Sam is the name of a person, a boy. So we can cut this, isn't it? And instead of Sam, we can write he plays football. He plays football, right? So the sentence, Sam is intelligent, he plays football. Instead of writing Sam again, we have used the word he. We are replacing the naming word with a replace word. Fine, let us take another example. So now you see the third sentence. The soup is delicious. Next sentence, the soup is hot. So we have used the word the soup twice, right? So instead of the soup, we can also use it. It is hot. What is hot? The soup is hot. So instead of repeating the same, the soup, we can use it. That is what? Replace words. Fine? Children, you remember we had done he words and she words? So, for women or girl, when we use, we can replace it she, right? Neeta is the name of a girl or a woman, aunt. So, all these are related in she group. So, she is beautiful. So, we write she. Now, Sam. Sam is the name of a boy or a man or can be uncle related with male members, right? So he, we use he. Now the soup, so we use it for non-living things, animals and birds. Fine. So now the fourth one, I am busy now. So when I am talking about myself, then I use I. Okay, replace word I. Number 5, are you busy? And I have given a question mark. You know when to use question mark? Yes, when we ask something, when we are inquiring about something. So are you busy? So you is a replace word, right? So here you is used for someone else. Okay, so you is used for boy, girl, man or woman, right? You. And I is also can be used for a boy. A boy can also say I am busy now. A girl or woman or a man can say I am busy now. So I and you is used for boy, girl, woman, man, all these things, right? Now children, you will underline these replace words. Fine? All these replace words you will underline. I, you, she, it, he. So let us read this. I, you, he, she, it, we and they. Replace words are the words which are used in place of the naming words. Yes? Let us read. I am Vidhi. When you are talking about yourself, okay? You are Vijay. You. For any boy, girl, man. Okay? Right. You are Vijay. When we are talking about the second person. I am Vijay. You are Vidhi. Now, Vijay is saying, talking about himself. Okay. So, he has used what? I am Vijay. Now, Vidhi. Vidhi is a girl. You are Vidhi. Vijay is talking about someone else. So, we use, so what is the word? You is used here. Okay. You are Vidhi. So, I and you can be used for either for boy, girl, man, woman, right? Now here, he is my dad. He is a male, isn't it? So he is my dad. He loves me a lot. So, talking about the person, man. He loves me a lot. She is my mother. So, mother is what? Female. Remember he words and she words? So, she is my mother. She takes care of me. There is an apple on the table. So, you see the apple here on the table? It is mine. So, it. Talking about a naming word. Which naming word? Apple. It is mine. So, instead of using apple is mine, it has been replaced with it is mine. Now look here. I, you used for boy, girl, man, woman. He is used for boy and man. She is used for girl and woman. It for non-living things, animals and birds, when they do not have a special name. Fine. Next page, page 32. Read the following sentences and learn how to use I, he, she, it and you. I am Roshni. So, person. This person is talking about herself. She's talking about herself. I am Roshni. I am a housewife. I live in Mumbai. I am an Indian. So, when you talk about yourself, own self, then we use I. Now, look at this boy, right? So, boy, for boy we will use what? He. He is Sachin Paul. He is a student. He is an Indian. He always helps the poor. Fine? Now, this is girl. So, for girl, we will use what? She. She is Ria. She is a student. She studies in class 1. She lives in Delhi. Now, look at this. This is animal. For animal, what we will use? We will use it if there is no special name given. It is a dog. It is brown in color. It has 4 legs. It barks at night. Fine. Now, look at this. A girl, right? So, for girl, we can use you. Yes, you and I is used for girl, boy, man, woman. Okay, you are a child. You go to school. You sit in a classroom. You wear a uniform. So, children, you will do the reading from this. Just read whatever we have done today in classwork, and also kindly note down these in your English language copy. We'll meet again in the next class. Till then, bye children.